Welcome to Smart Earnings. In this episode, we will be discussing financial results of Finolex Cables Limited for the second quarter financial year 2025. Company overview: Finolex Cables Limited is a prominent player in the Indian cable and wire manufacturing sector, specializing in electrical and communication cables. The company is navigating a challenging market environment characterized by fluctuating raw material prices, particularly copper, while also focusing on strategic expansions in its product offerings and manufacturing capabilities. Financial performance overview: sales increased to 1,311.7 crore rupees, up 10.5% year-over-year and 6.6% quarter-on-quarter. Operating expenses rose to 1,205.8 crore rupees, reflecting a 15.8% year-over-year increase and 9.3% quarter-on-quarter. Operating profit declined to 105.9 crore rupees, down 27.5% year-over-year and 16.5% quarter-on-quarter, with operating profit margin at 8.1%. Net profit decreased to 117.9 crore rupees, representing a 23.5% year-over-year decline and a 51.7% drop quarter-on-quarter. Earnings per share fell to 7 rupees and 71 paise. Key challenges: the company faced a challenging quarter due to high inventory levels, valued at approximately 604 crore rupees, and declining copper prices, which necessitated price cuts to liquidate stock. Average copper prices at the London Metal Exchange fell from $10,130 in May to $8,963 in August, with fluctuations continuing into November. This volatility impacted margins and sales strategies, leading to price corrections totaling approximately 11% during the quarter, followed by a slight price increase of 2% at the end of September. Market dynamics: demand for electrical cables has been muted, with a volume growth of only 2% this quarter. This was attributed to volatility in commodity prices and speculative buying behavior, complicating the distinction between actual consumption and speculative demand. The communication cables segment experienced lower realizations, with fiber prices dropping significantly over the past 2 years. However, a recovery is anticipated as global consumption increases, particularly with upcoming orders from BSNL expected to drive revenue growth starting in early 2025. Future outlook: management believes that the worst of the margin pressures is behind them, anticipating a return to more stable conditions. The company is optimistic about upcoming orders from BSNL, with expectations for revenue growth from these contracts starting in early 2025. Capex plans include the commissioning of an e-beam facility and expansion of fiber draw capacity, with a total projected spend of approximately 500 crore rupees. Key projects include completion of the e-beam facility, with revenues expected to flow in soon. Expansion of auto cable lines in Roorkee, expected to be completed by December. Increasing fiber draw capacity from 4 million to 6 million kilometers, with equipment expected in mid-2025. Market position and strategy: Finolex holds an estimated market share of 18 to 20% in the wire segment, with a total market size of approximately 25,000 crore rupees, indicating steady performance over the past few years. The company is focusing on improving margins through backward integration and enhancing production capabilities. Guidance: for FY25, management targets revenue of around 6,000 crore rupees, contingent on copper price stability. Margins are expected to normalize towards historical levels of 10 to 12% as market conditions improve. Conclusion: Finolex Cables Limited is navigating a challenging environment marked by raw material price volatility and competitive pressures. Despite recent declines in profitability, strategic investments in capacity expansion and a focus on stabilizing operations position the company for potential recovery. Investors should monitor the impact of copper prices and the execution of upcoming projects as key indicators of future performance. Thank you for watching Smart Earnings. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights into earnings calls and financial results. See you in the next episode.